Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Telegram. So let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Tap on the settings option from the bottom right corner of your screen. Go to the privacy and security settings. Here you can see the blocked users option at the top of the list. Tap on it. Tap the edit option from the top right corner. Scroll through the list to find the user you want to unblock. Tap on the minus icon right in front of their name. You can now see the unblock option appear. Tap on it to unblock the user. And this is how you can unblock someone on Telegram. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.